Morning. Here we are with another wrap. We are doing a couple of these senior living buses. We actually did the first one yesterday, most of it. We still have one side to do, but it had to go out for a outing today, so we didn't have a chance to finish the second side, so they're going to bring it back this afternoon. But we're going to get this one wrapped up between today and tomorrow. I just got everything set to print, so that is going to be heading through the printer right now. We're going to do these a little bit differently than we do most wraps. These senior buses work out really well to do one long horizontal piece rather than the vertical panels, and this only goes up to these generally on these buses. There's not enough room to do anything up there, so it's just fill. So come along for the ride as we wrap this thing, and as always, please like, tag, share, comment, subscribe. It really does help out the channel. I hate repeating myself, asking you to do that, but every little subscription helps. Dan got this started yesterday on this bus, this lower half of the bottom. I'm going to do the upper half right now, and then we're going to go on one of the sides. So here we go. A lot of lights to cut out. I was going to pull them out of the last bus, but the wire was this long. There was no connector, so I would have had to cut and splice a bunch of lights, so I didn't bother. So that matches up, comes straight across so this stays level. All that can be fixed. The text is the most important part of this. So I know as long as my tape aligns right here, this is straight. So that's all I care about right there, is that that's level. Everything else, fix it. It's just background. Lock this down.
I thought you wanted to.
No.
Oh, yeah, this way. I got it. I'm lefty. I'm used to going left.
That's all right. Yeah, it looks right. That comes onto the vent like that.
halfway?
Yeah. Just have to wait a second.
I got it.
I'm gonna pull it the rest of the way.
You want it all?
Yeah. That was Mike from EcoShield. They have a ton more cars coming in, but he's going to be getting the graphics from their fleet, from their where they order them, like from before.
Oh, great.
All right, that's going to be a wrap on this wrap. This week we did 2 of these buses for Castle Senior Living. They came in, customer didn't really know what they wanted to do. We drew up a design for them, they loved it, tweaked it a little bit, and this is what we came up with. Generally on these buses, we don't go all the way up. It's just kind of a waste. There's no reason to. On these healthcare buses, we always just do from here down. Went pretty smooth. The fenders are difficult on these because they're just the compound curve going this way, but they came out really nice. And yeah, so got these 2 done, got 100 other things done this week. So we're kind of starting to get caught up a little bit, and that's going to do it. So thank you for being here. I appreciate every view that I get. And as always, please like, tag, share, subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel, and I do appreciate it. So thank you, and take care.